Mr. Derek O'Brien, you are shouting at the chair. Your conduct is ugliest in the house. Next time I will show you the door. How dare you shout at the chair? Did you see yourself? How Derek O'Brien, floor leader of TMC, shouted at the chairman? मैं कुछ समय के लिए यहाँ बैठने में अपने आप को सक्षम नहीं पा रहा हूँ. मैं दुखी मन से नमस्कार. Thank you. Shri, one second. Please take your seat, leader of the opposition. Please take your seat. Yes, sir. What do you wish to say, sir?
Sir, I want to say,
Sir.
yesterday only we raised this issue.
Sir.
And it is a very important issue,
Sir.
not only concerned to a particular
Sir, what is the
individual.
point you are making?
No, this forgot
You want to discuss it?
discuss
Take request.
and who is behind this and how only 100
Sir, nothing
grams.
else is going on record. Nothing else is going on record. I will not allow the House to be used as such a platform. Please, sorry. Avail the rules, sorry. Shri, nothing going on record. Shri Kartikeya Sharma demand to establish defense maintenance, repair and overhaul hub in Ambala.
Sir, this is a request for establishing defense maintenance, repair and overhaul MRO hub in Ambala. आज मैं आपके सामने अंबाला और आसपास के लोगों की लंबे समय
Mr. Derek O'Brien,
मांग को लेकर
you are shouting at the chair. Your conduct is ugliest in the house. You are shouting at the chair. I condemn your action. Next time I will show you the door. How dare you shout at the chair? And senior leaders are not taking note of it. This is unbecoming conduct. I will not countenance it. Honorable members, we have seen the ugliest of scene. We saw a dark phase of our democracy during emergency. We know how it starts. It starts first with a challenge to the parliament institution. And that challenge was there in June 1975. A serious challenge here. I'm sure we have distinguished member here. Can anyone countenance this kind of conduct? They think they are law unto themselves. They think they are all wise. They think they are the only one whose heart is bleeding. The entire nation is in pain because of our girl. Entire nation is feeling the pain. Right from the president to the prime minister to myself and many more, everyone is sharing the situation. But to monetize it, to politicize it, is the greatest disrespect to that girl. That girl has a long way to go. I was so happy that the state of Haryana immediately announced we will give her all commendations, all financial relief that is due to a medal winner. There is a state government that has recognized her as a medal winner. Will give all assistance given to a medal winner. And here, I would urge you all with folded hands. Many of you are very senior to me. In this house, let us have bipartisan approach on certain issues. Issues like this. On political issues, debate permits your point of view to be projected. Yesterday it was done. And let me tell you, honorable members, when the leader of the opposition raised his hand yesterday, I have to take note of it. Leader of the House and leader of the opposition are very, very significant. I sent a message to him. What is the issue you are seeking to raise? and the response which I get in writing, which will be laid on the table of the House today, and that was, I want to raise an issue of urgent public importance. Do I make anything out of it? Do I know the subject of it? Do I know the urgency of it? In the process, the leader of the opposition has an idea of the chair, that the chair is a rubber stamp or just a post office, get a communication and give the floor. When I give floor to someone here that is watched by more than 1.4 billion people, it is embedded in the history. I do not know how I will be able to respond to my conscience. Individually, all members are so talented. Sir, you walked out and you came. In the process, you hurt more than 1 billion people. In the process, you set aflame democratic traditions. By walking out, the insult to the chair, did you see yourself how Derek O'Brien, floor leader of TMC, shouted at the chairman? No. If it does it, is it the way? I am so sorry, Sri Kartikeya Sharma.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Sir, I come from Haryana, so I would like to resonate the sense of the House that you have just said, that we are all members of this House standing with our brave girl.
Yes,
sir, I am
Leader of the House, on the contemporary scenario, please.
जिस तरीके से अभी विपक्ष ने व्यवहार किया, जिसने आपको भी तकलीफ पहुंचाई और संवैधानिक दृष्टि से जो संसदीय मर्यादाएं हैं उनका उल्लंघन हुआ है, वह सच में निंदनीय है। इट इज़ कंडेमनेबल। प्रजातंत्र में सबको अपनी बात रखने का अधिकार है, लेकिन प्रजातंत्र एक व्यवस्था में चलता है और जब व्यवस्थाएं अपनी मर्यादाएं लांघ जाती हैं तो प्रजातंत्र पर बहुत बड़ा आघात होता है। मैंने कल भी कहा था और मैं आज भी कहता हूं कि लीडिंग ऑपोजिशन पार्टी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस और जिनकी एक संख्या के रूप में टीएमसी भी यहाँ पर विराजमान है विपक्ष के रूप में, जिस तरीके से उनका व्यवहार चेयर के प्रति रहा है वह कंडेमनेबल है। और जो लोग लंबे समय से संसदीय प्रणाली में कार्य करते रहे हैं उनके लिए ये एक प्रश्न आत्मचिंतन का है जो उन्हें करना चाहिए।